This is why you subscribed to this channel. Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I've got some very urgent, timely information to give you folks here because I think we have ourselves another glitch. And so I want to thank Stan the Man and Marauder. I have a couple of different people who have sent this to me today. And it took us a while to get this thing to work because it only works one specific way if you use the actual link that I give you. So I want to show you something right here, folks. Do you see this Dewalt 20 volt max cordless brushless drill kit here? This is a deal that has the 5 amp hour battery on it, and it comes with the charger and the bag. Now you notice how they're not showing you a price here right now? It's kind of odd. So what we're going to do is, I'm pretty sure this is normally like $199, I think, but anyway, let's add this to the cart and let's see what it does when it gets in there. So you can see how it says it's $149, so it says save 25% off right over here. So let's go and look at it in the cart. Okay, where it says view cart. I just want to show you something. So here it is. Okay, so we can see now it's showing it $50 savings on here, and you can pick it up in store or you can schedule a delivery, but they'll charge you for delivery. So in our case, there's some at a local store that we can go to, and it says there's 22 of them there, in fact. So, but now remember this, see this little yellow square? Let's go back and take a look at what's happening here, folks. This is a get one tool free deal, right? Buy one, get one deal. So what tool is it? Well, you come and you look at this drawing here. This is very much like the Black Friday. This is almost exactly the Black Friday thing. So which tool should you look at here? Should you get the battery? Well, no, I don't think so, because a 5 amp hour battery is only $99 right now. I forget what the circ saw is. It might be like $150, but here's where I'm focused right here. Jigsaw. Why? Because we know that the jigsaw is $199. So if I can get that for free for buying this $149 tool, hey, count me in. So let's enter that SKU number. You see how the SKU number there says 1003899455455. So we'll type that in there. And we'll bring up the jigsaw. So you see how the jigsaw says normally $199, tool only, right? So we'll add that to the cart separately. Remember, we're doing all of this piecemeal here. Okay, and now look, the cart total is still showing $149. Let's go view the cart right now and let's see what we've got in there, folks. I don't understand this. This must be some type of glitch because it's still showing right now that, like, with that delivery charge and everything over there, look at this, $157 for something here that should be basically $400 almost, because this jigsaw is $200. This kit is normally $199. You're looking at just about $400 worth of tools here for $157.99, folks. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you subscribe to this channel, because we are giving you the most unbelievable deals here. And this one is a screaming deal. Now, I know my friend Gianti was wanting a nice drill kit, and I was holding off on finding him a kit because I couldn't find a decent one that had the decent battery. The atomic version of this for $159 had the drill, but it had that stupid little, I think it was a 1.3 amp hour battery with no battery gauge on it. It was a joke, so I didn't want to get it for him. But now look at this. It's telling us that this whole kit drops to $63.80. This has got to be a glitch. So make sure if you're going to buy this, don't hem and haw and sit there and staring at the screen all day about this. You know what you got to do. Use that link. I'll put it down in the video description below. You have to use that direct link, because if you try to enter the kit number for this tool here, the drill, directly, if you try to use any of these internet numbers or the SKU number, it doesn't work. So for example, if I just give you this and you typed in the Dewalt DCD model number there, it comes up as $199. You can see it right there. See, it comes up as $199, and on top of $199 there, like, everything here is showing sold out, not even available to order. So there's some kind of weird glitchiness going on here in the system here, folks. Okay, So the way you want to do it is to use that link that I provided for you down. I'll put it in the very beginning of the video description for you. And I will also make a post here on our community tab for you so that you can take advantage of this. And I would not wait, because you guys know about glitches. They're gone in hours, all right? So we just wanted to let you know about this great super deal. Let's go back, take one more look at it in my shopping cart before I place the order of exactly what happened. Look at this. This $199 jigsaw turned into $85, and this drill kit just turned into $63.80 right here. So that's just absolutely incredible right there. What a deal. I think I'm going to buy a couple of these. Maybe we'll do some tool giveaways with it. So anyway, we hope you found this useful, and if you did, hey, do us a favor. Would you please give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, man, all I can say is, why haven't you? You can see all of the great content we give you here, all of these great tool reviews, videos that we upload for you, where we test these tools and do drop testing and give you just thorough comparisons between all the different tools out there. We give you these world-class videos on remodeling your kitchens. We cover everything from remodeling your bathrooms. We cover all sorts of videos on tiling your floors and installing wood floors and laminate flooring in your house. We cover engineering disasters and plumbing disasters and electrical repairs. Anything that can go wrong, chances are we have the video for it. Well, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you on the next one.